You have a Samsung Galaxy A54 smartphone. You have an issue where the screen is like frozen, or this one's fixed, but maybe you can't swipe. You can't even restart. Okay, maybe you try to bring off the power off menu and you tap the power off or restart and it does nothing. Okay, so your screen's basically frozen or unresponsive. So to fix that, we can simply just force it to restart. Forcing a restart, it's very simple to do. It's a 2-key combination. What we want to do is press and hold the volume down and power button. Press and hold both buttons and do not let go until we see a Samsung logo appear. We'll do it together. Pretend my phone screen is unresponsive. Volume down, power, ready, set, go. Press and hold. Keep on holding. Don't worry about what's on the screen right here. Continue to hold. Volume down, power, still holding. It just turned off. Where's that Samsung? Oh, there it is. Let go of both buttons and let it boot up normally, and hopefully you no longer have a frozen or unresponsive screen. Now once it boots back up and it freezes again, just force restart it again. Okay? Good luck, guys.